Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is how Fiverr works for freelancers and how to make money on Fiverr. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest videos on our channel. Let's get started. How Fiverr works for freelancers. The major difference between popular freelancer marketplace like Upwork and Fiverr is the process of working with clients. Working with clients on Upwork means constantly pitching for new jobs, so work doesn't happen in the background without your input. You have to be proactively on the hunt for New York when you want it. Fiverr is a completely different story. With Fiverr, you essentially productize your services via gigs. Each gig describes a specific deliverable you will provide in exchange for a set price, starting with words. You can offer different packages that involve bare bones offering upward. You can also offer gig extras that allow people to customize your offering with related services they benefit from. But the best part about Fiverr is that because the gigs are set up, clients are empowered to make purchases without even talking to you. What to sell on Fiverr? I have previously written on how make a video on it and how to grow your business with Fiverr, including several ideas for what gig to set up. I have gig to help people with user testing, SEO audit, and creating blog content. But that's just me, and most readers will probably want to explore other options. When deciding want to sell on Fiverr, the best place to get inspiration from our Fiverr's on category pages. You will find tons of different categories and subcategories there, and all of them feature multiple gigs. Browse through those categories and visit the one that play your strengths. Then browse through the individual gigs and take note of everything that looks like something that you could offer as well. How to set up a successful Fiverr gig. One of the most important things that you can do when learning how to make money on Fiverr is to be purposeful in constructing your gig. Here are the gigs I am currently offering and some associated statistics regarding performance in search and conversation over the 6 months. Initially, you will be limited by how many gigs you can set up as well as how many gigs extras and gig multiples you can offer. You move up each seller level, you will have increasingly fewer restrictions in each of these areas. These initial limitations might be frustrating if you have a lot of ideas for what to sell on the platform, but try to think of them as good things. When you're just starting out, the fewer services you sell, the easier it will be. Create a great process around producing deliverables and providing a great buyer experience. This means clearly outlining the deliverable that a buyer will receive for a certain price. These deliverables can be further personalized to the buyer's need in terms of various packages. The beauty of productizing your services for Fiverr is that they will be easier to quote on the fly, like when a client gets in the touch for a customer order by having some standardization around your offering. By having forced limitations at the beginning of your time on Fiverr, you will force out focus on productizing the services you're most confident about. With this narrow focus, you will be figure out how to create efficiencies. Fiverr big visual image and video. Don't judge a book by its cover. Shouldn't be your guiding mantra while setting up a Fiverr gig. We recommend it, including an eye-catching main gig image. The main image should reinforce the services to be professional and premium looking. We also recommend it have a minimal text within the image. For visual categories, the best practice is to show a single word sample per image. So guys, these are the tips you can increase also your earning and earn a lot of money on Fiverr if you focus on your work. So watch this video till the end. Thank you so much.